Hello? What? Are you sure? Are you sure? You're positive? Okay. She's not starting it. People are telling her. All right, whatever. What? I said okay. Okay? Oh, he said that he doesn't know what you're talking about, and he doesn't know Courtney, and he told me to stop telling you crap, because it's not true.
He told you to stop telling me crap?
Yeah.
This is in my recording.
Mine too. Oh. What do we got going here? Oh, that's boring.
Until someone's shoe gets lit on fire.
Yeah.
And
We're pretty bored here now. We need fireworks. We got some boring ones. Everything's boring compared to our ladder.
boring.
Oh, we got something over here. I want something over there.